Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respectable viewers, welcome to Treatment with Quran. Myself Gulfam Riaz Hashmi. Many Muslims ask us that our house is under satanic and magic effects. So how can we protect ourselves and our home from satanic attacks, from satanic effects? Our beloved religion, Islam, has instructed us to protect us from all kinds of evil and problems. So there are some instructions and some steps that you have to follow to protect yourself and your home from such kind of spiritual problems and spiritual issues. So the first step is recite Bismillah before every task and before every action. Recite occasional prayers every time. When you are going to eat food, recite Bismillah before it. When you enter your home, recite the specific prayer that is taught by Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. When you come out of your home, recite Bismillah. When you enter washroom, recite Bismillah. When you change your clothes, recite Bismillah. So recite Bismillah when you're home or when you're out of your home, before every task and before every action. So that is the instruction of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, everything, every action that is started without taking the name of Almighty, without Bismillah, that action is useless. That action is futile. That action does not take the blessings of Almighty. So to invite blessings of Almighty, to catch the blessings of Almighty, it is necessary to recite Bismillah before every task and before every action. And the second step is recite chapter Al-Baqarah at your home, because Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, the home where chapter Baqarah is recited, Satan does not dwell in that house. Satan leaves that house. Satan does not live in that house. So recitation of chapter Al-Baqarah is necessary to protect your home from satanic attacks. So recite chapter Al-Baqarah at your home daily. If you cannot recite it completely one day, so you can divide it. You can complete it in different days. You can complete it in 1 week. So if you recite chapter Baqarah once a day, it is a perfect and it's a marvelous thing. But if you cannot recite once a day, so you can recite it once a week or once a month. So recitation of chapter Al-Baqarah is necessary and mandatory to protect your home from Satan. And second step is recite Ayatul Kursi. Recite Ayatul Kursi after every prayer, and especially when you go to bed. Recite Ayatul Kursi before going to sleep. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, the Muslim who recites Ayatul Kursi after every prayer, the one hurdle that is between him and paradise is only death. It means when he dies, he will enter the paradise immediately. So recitation of Ayatul Kursi is a good thing to protect your home from satanic attacks. And the fourth step is recite prayer call at your home. As the prayer call is called at mosque for congregational prayers 5 times a day, so you can recite that prayer call at your home. So it's not necessary to follow this point, to follow this position that you recite prayer call loudly. So you can recite prayer call at your home in a lower voice, because prayer call invites blessings of Almighty. And the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, when Satan listens to the prayer call, Satan runs away and Satan goes to the place where he cannot listen to this prayer call, where he cannot listen this voice. So prayer call is a good thing to keep your home, to keep Satan away and to keep your home protected from satanic attacks. And the fourth and number 5 is offer your nafil prayer at your home. Obligatory prayers are necessary to be offered at mosque. but nafil prayers and optional prayers, they are good to be offered at home, because the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when you offer your optional, your nafil prayer at home, so it is a source of blessings from Almighty. So the house that is under the blessings of Almighty, that is under the shadow of blessings of Almighty, so how can Satan tease the residents of that home? How Satan can cause harm to the residents and to the family of that home? So these are the 5 steps you must follow to protect yourself and your home from Satan. And one more thing, if anything irreligious, if anything forbidden is being done at your home, stop it immediately, because sinfulness and forbidden acts, they just invite wrath of Almighty, they just invite Satan and satanic attacks and spiritual and other problems. So if you want to protect yourself, your home, your family from satanic attacks and from different spiritual and material issues and problems, so it is necessary to follow the teachings of Islam and to obey Allah and His Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum.